As an educator in this distance learning context during a pandemic, just wanted to express my appreciation to Newsela for really supporting teachers during this unprecedented and challenging time. On Newsela's website, there's a tab for distance learning that really opens up resources for teachers to be able to utilize. Everything from elementary daily lessons, middle school daily lessons, high school daily lessons, reading clubs, 5-minute breaks for kids using Newsela, a lot of different things that are very useful in this site. I wanted to dig deeper and go into the remote teaching toolkit here, which I found to be really, really helpful. And once you get here, you just put read, and then it gives you, sends you to this site that really gives you a lot of different tools and resources. So I wanted to dig deeper into the connect to content resource here because I thought that it had some really, really just usable information for both teachers and students. So there's all kinds of different ways for students and teachers to be engaged here with little lesson videos. And this stop and jot for students, really focusing on annotations, was one that was created by Mr. Denson, and he really did a great job of not only showing how to annotate, but really when to annotate and for what purpose. So later on in this video, he'll give different types of annotations and show that there's a way for students to really hone their annotation skills by choosing annotations that really go towards either author's craft or questions or text organization or the different types of annotations that they can do. I also appreciate, and it's something that I learned that I didn't know, is that you can have emojis being inserted during annotations. That's something that he shows how to right click here and click on an emoji, and then you can add emojis in here. This could be really, really powerful for students to convey a little bit more emotion and also to be a little bit more playful in their annotations, and provide students with a way of not just having text but also emojis in their annotations as well, which can be key during this distance learning context because when you don't see the kids face to face as much, the emoji just could add a little bit more. Okay, that's what they were thinking during this time of making the annotations. All right, so hopefully this short screencast was helpful for you and that you are able to dive into this distance learning toolkit and find different resources that you can use for yourself and for your students. Take care, everyone.